Do you feel like you've done everything right after your breakup? You've gone no contact, blocked her everywhere, and even deleted all the memories you had together, yet you still can't move on. Trust me, my friend, you're not alone, and there's a reason why you're still stuck. You see, most guys think that no contact is enough to crush her ego and make her realize what she lost. They couldn't be more wrong. In fact, staying in contact with her through your actions and proving to her that your life is thriving without her is what will truly destroy her ego. So listen up, because today I'm going to teach you what you need to do to not only crush her ego, but also make her feel something deep down, something that will change her perspective forever. Let's go. Number 1. Focus 100% on yourself. Rebuild and thrive. Most guys think that after a breakup, they need to get back on the dating market as quickly as possible. But here's the hard truth. Getting back out there is probably the last thing you should be focusing on right now. Instead, use this time to rebuild your life and thrive. Don't think about dating or filling the void left by the breakup. That will only hold you back. The first step is to focus on yourself. Use this time to invest in your personal growth. Think about all those skills or hobbies you've always wanted to pursue. Now is the time to dive in head first. Learning and achieving something new will give you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that will make you feel great about yourself. Don't limit yourself. This could be anything from learning a new language to taking up a musical instrument, cooking, or starting a blog. There are no boundaries. Let your curiosity guide you. Remember, you're not just filling time here. You're investing in yourself. And trust me, the returns will be massive, not just in her eyes, but in your own too. Next, it's time for a physical transformation. Let's face it, we all know someone who said, "I'm going to hit the gym" after a breakup. But here's where you'll stand out. It's not about getting in shape for her. It's about feeling your best for yourself. Hit the gym regularly. Eat clean and take care of your appearance. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. You'll feel stronger, more confident, and better about yourself. And when you feel good, you project that confidence outwards, which leads us to our next point, which is about expanding your social circle and showing her that you are living an envious life. By expanding your social circle, you're demonstrating that your life is rich and full of connections. Go out and join clubs, classes, or events related to your interests. Reconnect with old friends and make new ones. When she sees that you're surrounded by a vibrant group of people having fun, it'll make her realize what she's missing out on. And that is huge. Finally, let's talk about career or financial growth. It's time to show her what you're made of professionally. Set goals in your career or work towards financial stability. Let your ambition shine through. Let's say you're working towards a promotion or starting a side hustle. Seeing you excel in your chosen field will make her understand that she doesn't just miss you, she misses a high-value man. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Some of you might be thinking, but what if I am still in love with her? Listen, if you're still in love with her, then no contact is absolutely essential. You need to create distance to heal your broken heart. Try to focus on yourself and your growth, even if it feels difficult at first. Over time, this will help you overcome your feelings. Number 2, expand your social circle. Live an envious life. As I mentioned earlier, it's not enough to simply improve yourself. You need to show her that you're improving, and the best way to do this is by expanding your social circle. Start by reconnecting with old friends and acquaintances. Reach out to those you haven't spoken to in a while. They'll be thrilled to hear from you and equally curious to see how you've been doing. It's important to let them know that you're available and open to spending time with them. Then it's time to explore new social opportunities. Join clubs, classes, or attend events related to your interests. Whether it's a sports club, a book club, a cooking class, or a networking event, these are places where you'll meet like-minded individuals and potentially make new friends. Lastly, don't forget the power of online communities. Connect with people who share your interests via online forums or social media groups. It's a great way to engage in discussions, learn, and maybe even make some real-life connections. While you're expanding your social circle, it's crucial to share your fun moments with her. Think about posting pictures or stories on social media, but remember, the key word here is subtlety. We don't want to seem like we're trying too hard to get her attention. Just post about the exciting things you're doing and let her come across it organically. When she sees you living your best life, having fun, and being happy without her, it will make her realize what she's missing out on. Now, before we move on to the third and final point, I have a question for you. What is the most important thing you've learned from your previous relationship? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and growth together. Number 3, never show weakness or anger. Composure is power. One of the biggest mistakes people make after a breakup is showing weakness or anger towards their ex. They may send angry messages, beg for another chance, or constantly check up on their ex. All of these behaviors only serve to empower her and make her feel validated. Instead, you need to show her that you're indifferent to her actions. When you break up with her, it's crucial to be the bigger person and maintain your composure. Even if she tries to provoke you into a reaction, stay calm and polite. Respond with a simple, "I wish you all the best," and leave it at that. Don't engage in arguments or try to defend yourself. Remember, you don't need to justify your actions to anyone. If she continues to bother you, it's best to block her and avoid any further interaction. Don't seek her out and don't respond to her attempts to contact you. Make it clear that you're done with the relationship. It's time to close that chapter of your life and move on to bigger and better things. Staying calm and composed is a sign of strength and maturity. It shows her that you're not going to be controlled by your emotions or manipulated by her. It will also make her question why you're so unaffected by the breakup. This will make her realize that she has lost a man who is capable of handling his emotions and moving forward without her. In conclusion, brothers, no contact isn't just about ignoring her. It's about transforming your life into something she can no longer be a part of. Crush her ego by becoming the best version of yourself, expanding your social circle and showing her that you're indifferent to her loss. When you become a man of high value, she will feel the impact of your absence deeply. Remember, true power comes from within. It comes from the transformation of the individual. That is where you will truly crush her ego and make her feel the pain of losing you. Don't wait any longer. Start today. Make her regret her decision and show her what she's truly missing. Thank you for watching.